So subscribe to my channel and ring the bell and watch my upcoming video. I'm going to do another one on YouTube. So let's see what happens, all right? See you in the next video. What's going on, guys? Here it is, the new house tour, and I just want to thank everybody first and foremost for supporting the channel, because without YouTube, without this platform and this stream of income, this would not have been possible. So 2 short years ago I started growing this channel. Upcoming stuff, probably my next video, doesn't matter what you're in. If you're into power washing, if you're into, you can make videos about anything and build up a channel. And then once you get to a partnership, and then you get paid because the advertisers are paying to show those ads. So subscribe to my channel and ring the bell and watch my upcoming video. I'm gonna do another one on YouTube, and now I'm at the point where I get buy this really nice home, and we're gonna go over in detail. I'm gonna show you some cool stuff, and also during some of these shots I'll show you where I came from. I still own the old home as well, probably gonna sell that, but just so you get an idea of where I was and what's possible through YouTube. And now I don't have 1 million subscribers. This is not a huge mansion by any means. I only have 50,000 subscribers, but I've been able to monetize my channel in numerous ways, and I have multiple channels actually, and I just grew this one from scratch. Started growing it a month ago. Already at almost 1,000 subscribers. As you're watching this, maybe it is 1,000 by the time you see this, but just using simple strategies. Now, if you're interested in growing on YouTube and monetizing your channels, even if you're not a partner, the way I do, where you can generate automated income daily just like this, then I put a video series together. I'll put a link in the description, and if you do come over here and check it out, you'll see where other YouTubers just like you followed over my shoulder, copied me, and set all this up for themselves. They're growing their channels and they're sharing their income right here. All right, so let's start in one of my favorite rooms. This is the kitchen, and I'm recording this on a brand new camera. I just bought it. It's a Canon M50, so I'll do a review on the camera. Hopefully this comes out nice. I think I got it on 4K. I don't even know. But one of my favorite features of the kitchen is this countertop, and it's granite, really nice. Got some flowers going on in here. Got the Keurig. You got to have one of these if you like coffee. These drawers, check this out. You can't even slam them. They're like self-closing. I don't know if you caught that. It's pretty cool. These cabinets, they have crown molding. They go all the way up to the ceiling. And these light fixtures are really nice too. Some track lighting there. Got a TV out here, so you can watch TV or put in a DVD if you want and watch that while you're cooking. Put that back up. The previous homeowners left this nice slab of this granite, so I'm going to use that probably as a centerpiece when we get the new kitchen table. But got a nice backsplash there. Some more of the granite up here on the windowsill. Now the house came with white appliances, which are okay, but I had to have my black stainless steel. So these are all new. Got a pretty good deal on them. I think they're like $4,000 for the whole set, which is not bad. This is cool. Check out the inside of this oven. That blue, isn't that crazy? I don't know why it's blue, but it's pretty sweet. The other thing that's really neat are these floors. These are real hardwood floors. They're not laminate. This is red oak, and the red oak that made these floors was harvested right here on the property. So the previous homeowner who built this house, they harvested the trees, had them sent to a mill, and then had the hardwood used to create these floors. So pretty nice. Now there's still some changes that's going to happen. This kitchen table, getting rid of that. It's going to be a black table, and then like I said, that granite slab I just showed you is going to be the centerpiece. So I have the dark table with that light granite slab, and then something on top of that, so that'll look cool. So ignore that table. I'm going to paint this door like a dark gray. I think it'll look really good, like a charcoal against this other gray. Some more nice light fixtures. Got the oversized clock up there on the wall. This teal color is called Fiji, I think. So off the kitchen, going here, we have a kid's bedroom. Got some cool art put up on the wall. And got some more art. Some fun cactus and some just something to color it up a little bit. The walls are gray. Got the smart TV for them. bunk bed for the smaller kids. Got some Big Joe beanbag chairs, and this carpet, this rug, is really nice. It feels like you're walking on like a bunch of baby bunnies, which is really soft. And then off this bedroom, we've got this bath, a little bit small, but it's nicely finished. These cabinets really nice, got some really nice light fixtures up there. The ferns, those are gonna go. Probably just paint over them. Wood floors continue throughout pretty much the whole main floor. Oh, I should point out in here, you can see it goes from the redwood to hickory, and that's also real hardwood floors. So they did hickory there and redwood there. So we'll go upstairs in a second. And this house is a little over 3,000 square feet. So it's a good size house. We'll go through here. Down here is the basement. We'll check that out. Got something cool to show you down there. Here's kind of the living room. Got the fireplace. There's still a lot to be done. I just only have a futon in here right now. Got a sectional couch that's gonna wrap around that outer wall. I'm actually gonna have that door moved over here into the corner, and then the sectional is gonna wrap around that wall, have a nice area rug. But the fireplace, got the PlayStation hooked up already. Only been in here, I don't know, 5-6 days. The fireplace has a remote. And then as it warms up, the flames get higher and higher. Looks really nice. Turn it off, it's already too hot in here. Okay, so leaving the living room, we'll do the whole main floor, and then we'll come back and do the upstairs and downstairs. Laundry area, got some nice front end loaders here. Still got a lot of junk to put away and organize. Now this is cool, everything from here back is the master bedroom. Just a closet right here. This is kind of cool, this door. The blinds, everything is controlled right here. And the blinds are inside the glass. That's neat, okay. So there's the master bath. We'll go check out the master bedroom here in a second, but the master bath, this is kind of neat. Dual sinks, this is all custom, those cabinets are custom cabinets. Got, again, nice light fixtures, nice mirrors. This is kind of cool, check this out. We turn all the lights off. All right, watch this. So that's just over the toilet. So I don't know, feels like you're doing something really special when you're sitting there, I guess. So we'll turn that back off. Get the normal lights back on. All right. Now this bedroom is a work in progress. So I need to get a new bed, probably a king size bed. Left a lot of stuff at the old house because we don't want to bring it over here just to get rid of it. Just got TV up there on top of the dresser for now. Just started moving my office in. That's where I do all the editing and everything for the channel. I pretty much left the cable and everything hooked up at the old house until I was sure I had everything hooked up here and it was going to work before I started moving over. So this was the last thing really to get over here, and so that's why I'm just moving it in now. Let's go around here to the walk-in closet. So this is kind of nice. It's not real huge, but it's a nice size. Keep my my watches and glasses and stuff there. It's a lot of storage. You can come around the corner here. Just all my clothes are right there. Some more storage with my stuff. Got my shoes. Kind of a shoe fanatic. Got some nice dress shoes. These are really cool. These are some of my favorites. They're actually like a cloth material. Those are pretty nice. And then these are probably my favorite shoes. Look like old man shoes, but I like them. So those are my shoes. All right, let's go head upstairs, check that out, and then we'll go down and check the basement out. All right, so we're gonna head up the stairs now and have to flip on some lights. Actually, I can do that probably right here. Oh yeah. And we got another kid's bedroom up here. This is the only place in the whole house that has carpeting. So a nice size area. Got a couple walk-in closets. I guess they're walk-in. You could technically walk into them. They go back really far, you can see. So both are the same. Got a bathroom back here. Let me turn on some more lights. Actually, let's see if there's some lights inside. Alright, I haven't been up here too much. There we go. There we go, got some lights. And then this area back here is where the previous owner, the lady of the house, did scrapbooking. So it's kind of set up for that, I guess. Alright, let's head back and go check out the basement. Alright, so here's the basement door. Now, it's not finished, and I'll tell you what my plans are to finish it as we make our way down. It's a huge basement. It pretty much goes over under pretty much all the house except for the living room area. But as you can see, it's nice, clean, pretty high ceilings. And I just bought this ping pong table. This is cool. I always wanted a real ping pong table. This is a really nice one. I think I paid $400 for it. And what's cool is you can flip that end up and play with yourself if you want. And so down at this end, I'm gonna actually turn this into another gaming area or seating area with a TV. So there I would have a television, and once we get it finished, obviously, and then some type of seating area right here, couch, maybe another sectional, and then that goes out to the cellar door right there. I'm gonna do an epoxy floor. I don't know if you've ever seen that before, but it's pretty sweet. It's just like this liquid that you apply that hardens, and then you can do all sorts of cool effects with it. It looks like marble. And then of course I'm gonna paint the ceiling and paint that black, and then do some walls, some wall stuff down here. I don't know if I'm gonna drywall or whatever you do in basements, but that's the plan. But that's it, that's the house. Again, thank you guys. I'm actually gonna get a fun car to add to the channel in the spring. Right now we're going into winter. It's late fall or in the fall, almost into November, so it wouldn't make sense to get something like the Mustang or Hellcat or whatever right now because it's gonna be snowing and I won't be able to drive it anyways. So we're gonna wait a few months, wait till the weather changes back from winter and going into spring, and I will get a cool car to add to the channel to do some content with that. And again, if you're interested on growing on YouTube and making something like this possible for yourself, if that's what you want, or even farther than what I've done, be sure to check out the video series I put together. Again, that link is in the description. Well, I'm gonna wrap this up, and I will see you in the next video.